Hey there, Money Guider Pro fam! Are you ready to learn how to create an awesome YouTube channel without even showing your face? Today, I'm going to show you how you can use AI tools to generate engaging video content effortlessly. Let's dive right in. Whether you're camera shy or just prefer staying behind the scenes, creating a faceless YouTube channel is a fantastic way to share your ideas and make money online. And the best part? You can use AI tools to create high-quality videos without any technical skills. First up, let's talk about Visla. Visla is an amazing AI tool that helps you create stunning videos with minimal effort. You can turn your scripts into videos in just a few clicks. Let me show you how it works. Simply upload your script, choose from a variety of video templates, and let Visla do the rest. You can even add voiceovers, music, and animations to make your video pop. Another fantastic tool is Pictory. Pictory allows you to transform your written content into captivating videos. It's perfect for creating faceless YouTube content. Here's how you can get started with Pictory. Just paste your text, select a template, and Pictory will automatically generate a video for you. You can customize the visuals, add voiceovers, and even include captions. It's super easy and quick. Now that you know about Visla and Pictory, let's explore a few more AI tools that can help you create amazing video content for your faceless YouTube channel. InVideo is another great tool. It offers a wide range of templates and allows you to create professional quality videos in minutes. With InVideo, you can turn your ideas into videos without any hassle. Just choose a template, add your content, and customize it to your liking. InVideo also provides a library of stock footage, music, and animations to enhance your videos. Next up is Lumen 5. Lumen 5 is an AI-powered video creation platform that turns your blog posts or articles into engaging videos. Perfect for repurposing your written content. Simply enter your blog URL or paste your text, and Lumen 5 will automatically generate a storyboard. You can customize the visuals, add music, and even include a voiceover. So, how do you make money with a faceless YouTube channel? Here are a few tips. Enable monetization on your channel to earn revenue from ads. The more views you get, the more money you make. Promote products or services in your videos and include affiliate links. Earn a commission for every sale made through your link. Partner with brands for sponsored content. Brands pay you to feature their products or services in your videos. Sell your own merchandise like t-shirts or mugs through your channel. Platforms like Teespring make it easy to set up a merch store. Here are some tips to grow your faceless YouTube channel. Consistency is key. Upload regularly to keep your audience engaged. Optimize your titles and descriptions. Use keywords to help your videos rank higher in search results. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and ask for feedback to build a community. Promote your videos. Share your videos on social media and other platforms to reach a wider audience. And there you have it. With AI tools like Visla, Pictory, InVideo, and Lumen 5, you can create engaging, faceless YouTube content and make money online. So why not give it a try and start your YouTube journey today? Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Money Guider Pro, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest money-making tips and tricks. Until next time, keep hustling and making that money.